Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahu wa barakatuhu to my all Muslim community residing in United States of America. Through this vlog, I want to bring in to your notice one very sad incident happened in New Jersey last week. In one of my relations, a 12-year-old young boy died, and the family was in shock, and they, in spite of this corona restrictions and other reservations, they approached the New York funeral home, Muslim one, for burial near their home in a cemetery at 340 Springfield Value Avenue in Marlboro, New Jersey. Unfortunately, last week what they saw was something extremely shocking and disgusting. Right from the middle, their kid's grave and about 30-40 graves were being dug on the pretext of a pathway. And that was very shocking. They did contact the management of the funeral home. This cemetery is being managed by one Dr. Kahel Matawali, an Egyptian doctor, and he didn't listen to them. He even refused to take their phone. It was really upsetting. These incidents, I must say, I beg to Muslim brethren that these incidents bring a bad name to Muslim community residing in United States. Very sad indeed. Look at United States government who completely allow us freedom to practice our religion according to our norms. There is no interference from the state, and here our own community is creating problems for us just for sake of money, just for some material ends. Now the families want is, we are starting a campaign. I would love if you join our campaign. We want a written apology from all that management to the 30-40 graves, families of those 30-40 graves which are being desecrated, and they should be put into original position. Two, they should be provided with the exact documentation, dimensions, paperwork of regarding to their particular grave. Three, in future, this should not happen without notice. A prior notice should be given to the parties. In fact, no contract was signed. So privately what happens is a person buys a lot of land or get it gifted from somewhere, and then he pools up the money, and this is how the things work. As there is pilferage of money from the foundations, from the charities, this also is such sort of a sad thing. I want to bring this to notice of every brother and sister living, Muslim brother and sister living in United States. Please take a notice of it, and please let's protest to Dr. Kahel, who is the in charge, manager, owner of this Marlboro Islamic Cemetery located at 340 Spring Valley Avenue, New Jersey. It would be a really great service to Islam, to our religion. We are peaceful people, and what example we are giving to the others. God bless you all, and that's all. Bye-bye from here.